Now we are living in the world where 1 in 3 women suffers from violence, different types of violence. We know that over the last year, conflict-related violence has increased by 50%. And we know that we really have to have the process of disarmament, because in many cases of conflict-related violence, and in other cases of violence as well, gun is quite often used.
The installation Disarming Silence consists about 600 shirts and dupattas. They're all written with text, so each piece of clothes is written by one woman. But what I think is important and interesting, these are at the same time individual voices, individual experiences of violence and discrimination. These texts are probably in about 40 different languages. They are across the globe, different cultures, different religions, different backgrounds, different nationalities.
Weapons are used in femicide, weapons are used in conflict-related sexual violence, weapons are used to threaten and coerce women in different parts of the world. And we try to raise awareness about this problem and to sensitize the arms control and disarmament community about this issue. And we use different resources. We generate statistics, we generate analysis, we provide advice on how to incorporate arms control and disarmament measures into the prevention of sexual violence. It's also important to showcase the human dimension, and by partnering with artists, that's what we want to do. We want to sensitize people about the problem of discrimination against women and violence against women through a different perspective.